Alright, welcome to this episode of Atlantic Ocean Watch. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Please subscribe, share on Instagram, Facebook, or your social media. I really would appreciate your help and my channel growing. Thank you. This is the Kindyard automatic watch. Amazon. Information on the screen pop up in a minute. It was about $60, and wow, I was really impressed when I opened this box up and I saw the timepiece. I'm going to shut up for a minute and let you guys watch me unbox it. And what you're seeing is just various warranty cards and other information to come with a timepiece. Of course, here is a piece of resistance. It comes in multiple colors. So if you don't like one color, it does come in different colors. I chose this black, although they'll call it blue. I like it better than the white face, but if you like the white face, we have a couple of different trim colors. Check it out. I got this one off of Amazon, and look at that. It's a mechanical movement. So there's what I paid for the timepiece. I used an Amazon coupon that was right there at checkout. So remember when you're checking out with Amazon and other apps for that matter, look around closely. Might be a coupon you can use. Apply that coupon. Save yourself some money. So as you can see, the watch appears to have a Swiss movement in there by the comment here on Amazon. Here's a Swiss movement. I don't know what kind of Swiss movement it has, but for $60 to have a Swiss movement, that is incredible. And then for $60 to not only be a Swiss movement, but to be an automatic wind Swiss movement, that's even more incredible. So you can see the timepieces on my wrist, and I'm comparing it in size with the watch I just reviewed. There'll be a link to this video, or that video rather, in the description. I'm comparing it to a watch I already own. I just recently reviewed. You see the differences in sizes, styles, and all that good stuff. Both watches have leather straps. So as you can see, there are the specifications that just popped up on the screen concerning the watch. Again, all credit for this information to Amazon. Thank you for for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube, where we focus on affordable watches. But of course, from time to time, we will focus on watches that cost even more. But I want to show watches that the average Joe or Jane can afford, and that's the focus of this channel. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Take care.